Pool Together is a no-loss lottery built on Ethereum where even players who don't win get their entry prize back. How does it work? Check out our article on Binance Academy for more details. To enter the game, you will need a supported wallet, for example Trust Wallet, with a small amount of Ether to pay for gas, and a stablecoin supported by the game, such as DAI or USDC. If you've got all that, go to app.pooltogether.com. Click on Connect Wallet. You can use MetaMask, but since we're using Trust Wallet, we're going to choose Wallet Connect. Let's scan the QR code and approve the app to connect with the wallet. Once the connection is up and running, click on Account. Choose the pool you'd like to join. Enter the number of tickets you'd like to buy. Confirm the transaction on the app. Now stand by until the transaction goes through on the blockchain.
A few moments later.
And you're done, you're in the pool. You can buy more tickets or withdraw your funds at any time under the Account tab. That's how you play Pool Together. Check out Binance Academy for more crypto guides.